Which book do you like most? I like the red book most. Which dress should I wear today? You should wear the blue dress. Which pen do you usually use? I usually use the black pen. Which road takes us to town? The left road takes us there. Which game is your favorite sport? Football is my favorite sport. When will the bus arrive here? The bus will arrive at 6. When did you finish your homework? I finished my homework last night. When are you free this weekend? I am free on Sunday afternoon. When is the shop usually open? The shop is open at 9. When will the rain stop here? The rain will stop this evening. Where is the nearest train station? The nearest station is over there. Where did you buy that shirt? I bought it from the market. Where will we meet tomorrow morning? We will meet at the park. Where are you going after school? I am going to the library. Where can I find good food? You can find it downtown easily. Why are you late for class? I was late because of traffic. Why did you miss yesterday's meeting? I missed it due to illness. Why is the baby crying loudly? The baby is hungry and tired. Why are they working so hard? They are working hard for exams. Why should we learn English daily? We should learn it for success. Which team won the football match? Our team won the football match. When was the last holiday trip? The last trip was last month. Where were you during the storm? I was inside my small house. Why had she been so upset? She had been upset about work. Which movie had you watched yesterday? I had watched a comedy yesterday. Learning to ask and answer questions is important for English speaking. Here are some examples using which, when, where, and why. A student asks, "Which book do you like most?" And the friend replies, "I like the red book most." Another day, someone asks, "Which dress should I wear today?" And hears, "You should wear the blue dress." In the classroom, one asks, "Which pen do you usually use?" And the reply is, "I usually use the black pen." Talking about time is also useful. A person asks, "When will the bus arrive here?" And the answer is, "The bus will arrive at 6. Another asks, "When did you finish your homework?" And hears, "I finished my homework last night." Questions about place are also common. For example, where is the nearest train station? The answer, the nearest station is over there. Someone asks, where did you buy that shirt? And the reply comes, I bought it from the market. Finally, why questions help us explain reasons. A friend asks, why are you late for class? And the reply is, I was late because of traffic. Another asks, why should we learn English daily? And here's, we should learn it for success. By practicing these small question and answer sentences every day, learners become more confident in real conversations.